Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Cadbury Eclairs at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. Next, we'll combine them in a saucepan to create the rich caramel base. After cooking, the mixture will be shaped into individual eclairs. Finally, we'll let them cool and set, preparing them for a delightful treat. This process ensures a perfect, chewy texture every time. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 200 grams of granulated sugar, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and one 397-gram can of sweetened condensed milk. You'll also need 100 grams of milk chocolate, broken into small pieces. For equipment, a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan is ideal, along with a wooden spoon and a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Precision in measuring ensures the perfect consistency. Now let's cook the caramel. In your heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the sugar, butter, and condensed milk. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent burning. The mixture will thicken and darken. Continue cooking until it reaches the firm ball stage, which is approximately 245 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Remove from heat, then quickly stir in the chocolate pieces until fully melted and smooth. Once the chocolate is fully incorporated, pour the hot mixture onto your prepared parchment-lined baking tray. Spread it evenly to about 1/2 inch thickness. Allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's firm enough to handle but still pliable. Using a sharp, oiled knife, cut the slab into small, rectangular eclair shapes. Finally, wrap each individual eclair in wax paper or foil to prevent sticking and store them in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.